Hi viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to explain how to calculate square of a number from 1 to 1000. Many of the students feel difficult to calculate square of a number, but literally speaking, calculating square of a number is very easy once if you know the squares for 1 to 9. So now I will be teaching you how to calculate square of a number from 1 to 1000. First, I am dividing it into two categories. So first category is from 1 to 100 and second category is from 101 to 1000. So first I am taking 1 to 100. So in this trick, I am calculating square of a number in three steps. Okay, so let us consider one example. So for example, if I want square of 43, so in first step, I am taking square for 4. Okay, what is the square for 4? 16. So write 16. So next I am taking square for 3. So what is the square for 3? So square for 3 is 9. But in this case I am taking two digits. Okay, instead of 9 I am taking 09. Okay, so right beside of 16. So therefore 9. So this is our second step. So in third step I am going to multiply these three numbers. I am going to multiply these three numbers. 4 into 3, 3 into 2. So that means 4 into 3 is 12. 12 into 2 is 24. Okay, so write the 24 here, just leave unit space and note down 24 and add these two numbers. So therefore 1849. So square of 43 is 1849. Let me take one more number. Next 26 square. Okay, so first step, what is our first step? First calculate a square for 2. So square for 2 is 4. So therefore write 04, not 4. Take two digits. So write 04. So after that take square for 6. So what is the square for 6? 36. So write beside of 4, 36. So after that in third step multiply these three numbers. So in third step multiply these three numbers. 2 into 6 into 2. So what is that? 2 into 6 is 12. 12 into 2 is 24. So therefore write 24 here. Leave units place and write 24 and add these two numbers. So therefore you will get 676. So therefore square of 26 is 676. One more example I am taking. So I want a square for 67. So follow the same trick. So first calculate a square for 6. So what is the square for 6? 36. So write 36. So after that calculate a square for 7. So what is the square for 7? 49. So that right besides of 36, 49. So after that multiply these three numbers. 6 into 7 into 2. Okay. So 6 into 7 is 42. 42 into 2 is 84. So therefore write 84 here. Just leave units place and write 84. After that add these two numbers. You will get 4489. So therefore square for 67 is 4489. One more number I am taking. 93 square. Okay, so follow the same trick. So first calculate square for 9. So what is the square for 9? 81. So right here. Next after that square for 3. So square for 3 is 9. So I am taking 09. So right beside of 81. So that is 09. So after that multiply these three numbers. 9 into 3 into 2. Okay, so 9 into 3 is 27. 27 into 2 is 54. So write that 54 here. Just leave units place and write 54. So after that add these two numbers. So you will get 8649. So therefore square for 93 is 8649. So this trick is applicable for 1 to 100 numbers. 1 to 100 numbers. So this is our first category. Next I am taking second category. So that is from 101 to 1000. So let me consider one example. So I want a square for 106. So I want square for 106. First write 106 like this. Minus 6 plus 6. In this trick also, I'm going to calculate square of a number in 3 steps. So first step is I'm taking 106 minus 6. In first step, I'm taking 106 minus 6, that is 100, right? 100 here. Next, in second step, I'm taking 106 plus 6. What is 106 plus 6? That is 112. So write 112 here. So here I'm multiplying these two numbers. After that, in third step, I'm taking square for 6. So what is the square for 6? Square of 6 is 36. Write 36 here. 36. Next, divide this with 100 because here we have two zeros, right? Divide this with 100. So if I divide this with 100, 100 and 100 will get cancelled and the remaining one is 112. Remaining number is 112. So since here we divided this with 100, therefore write two digits beside 112. So what are the two digits here? 36. So if I write 36 here, then answer will become 11,236. Therefore, square for 106 is 11,236. So if I divide this with 10. So for example, if I divide this with 10, then we supposed to take only one digit beside 112 and remaining one digit will become carry for this. Remaining one digit will become carry for this. That I will explain in next examples. So in this trick, I followed simple mathematics formula. That formula is a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. Add both side with b square. Add both side with b square. So if I add b square, what happened? A plus b into a minus b plus b square is equal to a square minus b square plus b square. So on RHS side, b square will be get cancelled. Therefore, a square is equal to a plus b into a minus b plus b square is equal to a square. So here I followed this third step. So see here, here we asked to find square for 106. So therefore a is equal to 106 because here I want 106 square. So therefore a is equal to 106. So next b is equal to 6. B is equal to 6. Once observe this step, a plus b. A plus b means 106 plus 6. So 106 plus 6, 112 into a minus b. A minus b is equal to 106 minus 6, that is 100. So therefore a minus b plus b square. Plus b square means what is b? 6. 6 square is 36. So therefore I followed this simple formula. Let me consider one more example. Next I am taking 988. Write like this: plus 12 minus 12. So first I am taking 988 plus 12. So what is 988 plus 12? That is 1000. So write 1000 here. Next 988 minus 12. 988 minus 12 is 976. So I am multiplying these two. So therefore write 976 here. So after that take square for 12. So what is the square for 12? Square for 12 is 144. Write 144 here. So after that divide this with 1000 because here we have three zeros. So divide this with 1000. So if I divide this with 1000, 1000 will be get cancelled. Then remaining one will be 976, right? So since here we divided with 1000, so therefore we supposed to write three digits here. So write this, write here three digits. What are the three digits? 144. So write 144 here. So if I write 144, then answer will become 9,76,144. So therefore square for 988 is 9,76,144. Let me consider one more example. So next I want square for 213. So write 213 like this. So first I am taking minus 13, next plus 13. Okay. So 213 minus 13 is 200 into 213 plus 13 is 226, right? So 226. After that take square for 13. So what is the square for 13? 169. So therefore divide this with 100 because here we have only two zeros. So therefore if I divide this with 100, two zeros will get cancelled and remaining one is 2 into 226, and this 169 is same, so right here 169. So next 2 into 226 is 452, so right 452. So here we divided with 100, right? So therefore we supposed to write only two digits beside of 452, and remaining one digit will become carry for 452. So therefore write 169 like this and add this. So therefore 45,369 is the square for 213. So what is the square for 213? 45,369. Thank you.